The objective function is simply obj, or before that I would say the main thing is we need to define a variable that we will put limit on it. So we will say the end of all tasks, we can have a list, and for job ID job enumerate jobs data end of all tasks, or task I append. Now here we will take, again, all tasks have the start, the end, and the interval. What we are interested is the all task final task end, and all task final task end, and so on. So we need this one. Sorry, this way. Job ID and the final task, which is the length of job. One dot end. Yeah. So again, the Python way is we have 3 and -1. We have to refer to the end job, which is, for example, in this one, it will be for job 0. We have 3 tasks, so the final task will be indexed by 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. So this is, we already appended all the end ID. If you want to see the whole variable, you can also print, or it's better to show it differently this way. So here you can see that end job 0, 2, job 1, 2, and job 2 only we have 2. So this is the end of the element, which is only have 1. Now we set the objective function, and the objective first objective variables will be model dot, again it's just the same as we did before, integer variable from 0 to horizon, which is, as we said, the worst possible solution. And well, we can call it make span. We can call it anything, of course, we want. And model dot add max. This is also syntax for OR tools, which is, we'll take a set of variables and we want to say we need to minimize these variables. So object variable and these end. So now the objective function will equal to the maximum of the end of these jobs, the maximum number of these jobs, and then we will declare dot minimize the objective variables. So to recap, first we defined a variable that we declare it to be the end of these objective of these tasks, or of these jobs. This is the end time of these jobs. And later we defined just any variables that has from 0 to horizon, which is the worst possible solution. And then we call this objective function to be the maximum value of one of these end values, and we want to minimize that objective value. So we run it, and we have, yeah, this is just this one. No, and it is max equal. This one is just should be here. So this is we already now defined the objectives of this optimization. Next step we're going to be solve this optimization problem and get out the data from it.